There's just something about painting that soothes Alex. It seems as if he loves craft. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating a beautiful wall decor piece using simple wooden circles. If you love DIY projects that looks high-end but cost a little bit, you're going to enjoy this one. So let's jump right in. Alex is at the heart of everything we do. So, of course, he's right here enjoying one of his favorite pastime, and that is painting. So, we would have gotten our wooden circles, and we'll drop a link in the description below as to where you can get some of these material if you would like to do one of these DIY projects as well. So, Alex is here having fun because painting is one of his hobby. All right, now we have different sizes of wooden circles. We have small, medium, and large. And here we have completed the first circle. And of course, Alex and I did this one. Now, for the next few circles, after he had gotten the hang of it, we allowed him to do his own painting with his own circles. So here he is painting his own circle. There's just something about painting that soothes Alex. It seems as if he loves craft. Once we are into craft, building something, or we are painting or putting together some craft, he's very much there. And he likes to be involved in the craft. Now he has completed a few pieces, of course. Yes and no. It's time for his break. So he's off on a break. Now we completed a few black, and now we are doing the gold. As the colors that we are using here, our color scheme is black, gold, and silver. Now, Daddy, look who's joining me. Yes, so we are all in this together. Daddy is learning to do craft. Yeah, he will tell you, I'm not a guy who does this, but just tell him what he must do and he will follow instruction. But he won't conceptualize the whole thing. All right, but here he is nonetheless being a part of it, always supportive of whatever it is that we have to do. He's always very supportive. Big up, Boo. Thank you so much. So now we are doing the gold. And can I tell you, my husband is the expert at doing the gold ones. Now for the installation. Now you can play around with your circles however you wanted. You can decide to do a cluster bubble design. You can decide to do a sunburst pattern, a flowing wave, or something geometric or symmetrical, whichever you prefer. Right now, I decided to do a little wave with a cluster bubble design, right? So here we are putting them in, and we use double-sided tape, and it's a very clear one, so it doesn't mess the wall. So if it's removed, it doesn't damage the paint and it doesn't leave any soil on the wall either. So I actually like that double-sided tape. I'll drop a link in the description below. This is nice for putting up lighter picture frames, canvas, or such on your wall. You don't have to use any nail. Very clean, easy setup. All right, so here we are, and the project is coming on. I would say if you are doing it for the first time, try placing your larger circles first, and then you can fill in the spaces with medium and small ones, and just adjust until the arrangement feel balanced or visually interesting. Take your time. This part really transforms the whole piece. And when you're happy about your pattern, just take a quick photo so you remember the placement. Yep. So that's what we are doing here. And we had quite a number of pieces. We have a few small ones, and we are just fitting the small ones randomly, making the alternate input between the black, the gold, and the silver. And here my husband is touching out one of the silver, as it seems as if probably never perfect. Yeah, and we like the little perfection. So we use the black acrylic paint. For the gold, we use the gold metallic, so it has a very shimmery look with the gold. Yeah, it's nice, and I just love it. And for those person who would, you probably want to make it easier for you, yes, you can use spray paint as well. So you could have used your metallic black, metallic gold, and your metallic silver, and spray away, right? So little details make a big difference. When everything is dry, it looks beautiful. And this, we have it right in our living room. Very beautiful, modern, handmade art piece from simple wooden circles. Yeah, I love simplicity, and I like to do a lot with my hands. Hope you enjoy this piece of project. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoy this DIY wooden circle wall decor, don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe to this video. And let me know in the comments if you want more budget-friendly decor ideas, or if you want to try this one. All right? So we are here taking in this piece. Really love it.
Thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.